Horace Andy, the soulful voice of roots reggae. Horace Andy, known for his hauntingly soulful voice and introspective lyrics, is a reggae legend celebrated for his unique vocal style and deep emotional resonance. Born as Horace Hinds in Kingston, Jamaica, in 1951, Andy rose to prominence in the 1970s as one of the leading voices in roots reggae. His voice, often described as ethereal and melancholic, coupled with socially conscious and spiritually reflective lyrics, has made him a beloved figure not only in Jamaica, but across the global reggae scene. Andy's journey into music began in the late 1960s, influenced by American R&B and Jamaican rocksteady. His career took off in 1970 after he auditioned for famed producer Coxsone Dodd at Studio One, one of the most influential studios in Jamaica. Dodd gave him the stage name Horace Andy, partly as a tribute to another Studio One star, Bob Andy. Horace's first single, Got to Be Sure, didn't gain much attention, but his second single, Skylarking, became a massive hit. Skylarking wasn't just a song. It became a cultural anthem for Jamaica's youth and firmly established Andy as a significant talent. Throughout the 1970s, Andy recorded numerous classic tracks with various producers, including Bunny Lee, Phil Pratt, and Leonard Santic-Chin. His ability to adapt to different musical styles while retaining his distinct voice made him a versatile artist. Songs like You Are My Angel, Just Say Who, and Money is the Root of All Evil showcased his lyrical range, exploring themes of love, hardship, and social justice. He became known for addressing the struggles of the poor and downtrodden, resonating with audiences who saw their own challenges reflected in his music. One of Andy's hallmarks is his spiritual approach to reggae. As a Rastafarian, he often infuses his lyrics with messages of faith, resistance, and unity. His song See a Man's Face explores themes of deception and integrity, while Zion Gate reflects his hope for spiritual liberation. Andy's voice, which combines a delicate vibrato with an almost ghostly quality, made these messages deeply impactful. His style is one that conveys not only the struggles of life, but also the strength and resilience needed to overcome them. In the 1990s, Andy gained new audiences through his collaboration with British trip-hop group Massive Attack. His contributions to their albums, including Blue Lines, Protection, and Mezzanine, brought his voice to a generation unfamiliar with reggae's golden era. Tracks like Angel and Hymn of the Big Wheel became Massive Attack staples and introduced Andy's distinctive sound to a global, alternative music audience. His work with Massive Attack demonstrated his ability to transcend genres, bridging roots reggae with the atmospheric sounds of trip-hop. Despite his success with Massive Attack, Horace Andy never abandoned his reggae roots. He continued to release solo albums and perform internationally, staying true to his musical and cultural heritage. Albums like Living in the Flood and On Tour show that his voice and message are as relevant as ever. His later work reflects a lifetime of experience, combining wisdom with his signature vocal style. Horace Andy's legacy is one of versatility, resilience, and authenticity. His voice, instantly recognizable and deeply expressive, has made him one of reggae's most cherished figures. In an industry that has seen many artists come and go, Andy's enduring presence is a testament to his talent and his unwavering dedication to the music and message of reggae. His contributions continue to inspire both fans and musicians, cementing his place as a true icon in the world of reggae.